Morning everyone, hope everyone's having a good morning. If you're not, smile, make it contagious. Yeah, go a long way. I've just woken up, I've just moved the van because I felt bad for the dog walkers, maybe they didn't have enough room. I was taking up like 2 spaces because I was parked lengthways because I didn't want to park on a bend, otherwise I'd do my back in. But look at this for a view. That's Scarborough Castle all the way over there, which I didn't see last night. You've got the sea over there, which I'm going to walk in a minute. And then you've literally just got tons of farmers fields. Not a goddamn car in sight, boy! I hate these touristy parks because there's never anywhere to park. There's literally just nowhere. We've just hit the North York Moors, and so far, beautiful. Just seen a bridge, so we're gonna go look at the bridge. Here now, mate. Have you got out? How have you got out, you donut? That's a bridge. My battery pack only charges when there's only just that plugged in, without all of this going on, which means I can't listen to my music. But I did find this bad boy, so I wiped off the cobwebs. Boom, now it's charging, boy. Get in there, up me boy! I just realised there's geese. What do you farm from geese? Eggs? I don't know. Wait, what? Surely they can just fly away. Or are they ducks? I don't know what they are. I'm confused. Look at that. Just birds. Nothing else. This is where we are now. That is where we parked. It's about 1 kilometre away, although it felt a lot longer than that. I want to walk all the way up to here, and then all the way back down. So about 5-6 kilometres. You need to go outside of your comfort zone to do things that you might not ever do again. Woo! That's how you know we're north! I may have failed you guys today. I haven't filmed loads. I haven't really been in the mood. I'm struggling for inspiration and motivation today. A lovely van has made it all the way to Newcastle. Five miles out of the way. I went the wrong way. Let's go back the way we come and find the beach. I want the beach. Although, this would be a wicked spot, but I think it's like farmland. Yep, I've just been told off by the farmer. He was wondering what I was doing with his cows. I said, I'm just taking a picture. He was like, well, you're going to startle them? Like, well, it's a bloody road, mate. Not a very tarmacked road, but it's a road nonetheless. What a rough road. I found it. We arrived. This reminds me of Winterton with the sand dunes. I think I might get a good sunset tonight. There's barely any wind here. It's not cold. Peaceful. That's what I needed today. What's up, guys? That is the 5th day done on the road. I'm chilling by the sea that you saw earlier on, and I'm just watching the sunset. I'm going to leave it here so I can crack on with the editing and let you guys get the video at 12 o'clock tomorrow again. So yeah, stay stress free, smile, keep happy, peace.